All right, so just to give a quick update here, this is the muffler system. It's not quite done yet, it's getting there. So anybody who's been following, this is the exhaust enters, right and left. It'll go right through. This is how it sits in the back. So these, the two outer ones are the primary pipes. So I'm gonna have a valve on that one and a valve on that one. And when they're open, the exhaust is gonna come straight out. When they're closed, it's gonna force the exhaust down through the center here and in to the center muffler, up and out. The same thing's gonna happen on this side. It's gonna come out, it's gonna hit the valve. It's gonna be forced internally to go down here, into the center, and up. And then out the center. That's gonna be quiet. So when the valves are closed, below 3,000 RPMs, the computer is already set up to close the valves below 3,000. So at idle and normal putting around, it should be quiet. It will be quiet. And then when you give it gas above 3,000 RPMs, the valve's open and it comes straight out. So it's gonna be loud. So it's called a Bi-Mode exhaust. The factory came with a Bi-Mode, but it's not nearly as aggressive as this is. It's all gonna tuck up underneath the car.